Welcome to Qodly, where innovation meets your vision. Qodly is a hybrid low-code platform that combines low-code development speed and efficiency with traditional development's advanced capabilities and freedom of customization. All under one roof, Qodly offers a complete platform with 3 powerful components. Qodly Studio, your web-based integrated development environment, IDE, that equips you with everything necessary to craft your app. Qodly Cloud Management Console, your central command hub to effortlessly manage all your applications. Qodly Server, the foundation of Qodly apps. It features an optimized and fully integrated database for reactive and secure data processing. Let's delve into what this means for your web applications. 1. Develop swiftly. Start from scratch, a sample, or clone an existing app. Choose templates and customize them to your needs. Effortlessly drag and drop UI components and bind your data. Leverage the advanced data table and design your data model visually. Define roles and privileges with granular security. Control permissions at every level of your data model. Code and debug functions seamlessly with Qodly Script. 2. Streamlined deployment and management. Deploy your app in your chosen staging or production environment with a few clicks using the Qodly Cloud Console. Assign user roles, invite users, and ensure smooth operations. Debug and restore your apps whenever needed. 3. Centralized monitoring and control. Stop, restart, or clone your apps with ease. Clone your app and reuse or customize your code for a new customer. Access and transfer your dataset using a secure file transfer protocol. Schedule automatic backups for peace of mind. Encountering a challenge or need assistance? Count on Qodly's dedicated teams to provide support at every step. Ready to deliver your next great web application? Start by creating your free sandbox and explore the endless possibilities of Qodly today.